Hey guys, it's Andrew from Gadget Dude HD, and today I'm going to be unboxing LEGO Dimensions The Sims Krusty Fun Pack. Retails for $11.99, ages 7 to 14, Fun Pack 71227, and it's 38 pieces. Now let's see what the clown bike can upgrade to. So the clown bike can upgrade to the Canyon bike and the anti-gravity rocket bike. So let's move this out of the way and let's build. So, as always, we start with Krusty leg, meet Krusty body, then Krusty's head, meet Krusty's body. Then he comes with a pie like that, and then see, then there's his base. Let's put it on the base. So that's how Krusty looks. Now I'm gonna be putting it on the base. See you guys. I'll be right back. I meant. Okay. So I gotta switch to Krusty. Okay, so now it wants me to do the instructions. I meant to build the vehicle. So let's get to the build. First of all, you're gonna need one bike piece like that where the wheels go, and one Technic piece like that. Okay. Sorry guys, the camera was off. So, one piece like that and a Technic piece like that. And then we grab another piece and put it like that. Page 3. Then we put a piece like that. Next page. Then we add another Technic piece, actually 2 Technic pieces, and add it like that. Then we go to page 5 and build the wheels. There. Then we add one wheel like that. We put one piece like that and slide this down like that. There. Like that, and it connects. We do the same thing on the other side. Put the tire wheel in and pop it up like that. Now we go to page 6 and we get piece like that. Sorry guys, the camera's acting weird a little. Piece like that, then piece like that, then another piece like that. Then cone right there, like that. Then we add a piece like that. Then it wants us to put it on the side of the bike. Next page wants us to do the same on the other side. One piece like that, another piece like that, and another piece like that. Then we put an orange cone, that, and then a red piece like that. Next page. Wait, never mind. Hold on. Okay. Then it wants us to put it on the other side like that. So that's done. Now, page 8. It wants us to add a piece like that for the steering wheel and place it right where? Oh, right? Is it right? Where? Oh, hold on. Wrong way. Right there. Then it wants us to add a square like that, a flat square like that has 2 tops. Next page. We add one piece. Oh shoot. One piece like that, and another piece like that, and another piece like that. That's how it looks so far. And then we go to page 10. Oh. Page 10. And then a piece like that. And then we build kind of like a freeze gun, something like that. And we put one like that on the back. And we build the second one and put it on the back like that. Then page 11, we build the base. And like that. So that's how it is, and there's some extra piece. There's 2 pieces that are extra. Let's move that out of the way. And that's how it looks. It looks cool. There's that side, that side, and that side. That's how it looks. So now it wants me to save it on a toy tag real quick. So I'll be right back and save it. Okay, so, never mind. Sorry guys, that was my bat car. There. So, that's the end of the video today. Just to let you guys know, I'm in my room. That's why I'm recording somewhere else. There's my Lego Dimension portal. So, that's all for today. Please subscribe to this channel, give me some thumbs up, and leave a comment down below saying if my video was a good one, because it was a good one for me. And I'll see you guys next time in our next video. Bye.